To ensure the highest quality of products, we conduct vehicle inspections to gather details about parts and solutions that have been used in them. In our workshop today we have NIO ET5. It is a Chinese vehicle that have just only recently entered European market. Its distinctive features are radar and camera array used to autonomous drive and a virtual assistant named Nomi, located on the dashboard. After popping up the hood and removing plastic covers, we can analyze which thermal management parts are inside. In addition to that, we use oscilloscope to analyze signals received by particular components. These inspections help us with development and validation of new products.